Grade 11s, we are now entering a very complex area of solid drawings, of which we are going to be dealing with two types of solids. So what is given to us right here on top, if you read your instructions very carefully, that there is a front view and a top view of a right regular hexagonal prism, which is this that you see here. It's a prism. That is that shape there. And you have a right regular pentagonal pyramid, which is that shape over here. Please take note, the one is a hexagon and it's a prism. The other one is a pyramid which has a base of a pentagon. Then you will also find, learners, that there is a cutting line at 45 degrees running through both solids, and it runs 15 millimeters away from this end of the prism. And the prism is 72 millimeters in height. The specifications are that one base edge of the hexagonal prism is in contact with one base edge of the pentagonal pyramid, and both solids are cut by plane QR, as I've explained. So you have this hexagonal shape here that borders with this pentagonal shape here, and they're sharing this particular side there. And then you are instructed to draw to a scale 1:1 the following views of the two solids: the given front view, which is that over there, the sectional top view, which is going to be here, and the sectional right view, which is going to be on your left hand side there. And you need to show all the hidden detail, which basically means all the dash lines. Learners, keep in mind that point S as a reference point has been given for you to start your drawing. Now, just before we go into our formal drawings using our set squares and our T-square, let me explain to you the different steps. So we're going to start with step number 1, where you are going to draw the shape of your hexagonal prism around the reference point S. So you will find that there's a 32 length, which basically means that you can draw a circle with a radius of 32. So your radius here is going to be 32, which is from here to there, 32. And then, of course, learners, you will take your set square and your T-square, and you will divide that into 4 parts. You will obviously have that point and that point here, which is going to be your top and your bottom point of your hexagon. And you will either arc 32 here from that point, and 32 here from that point, and 32 here from that point, 32 from that point, to be able to shape your hexagon like that there. Very important, there is no apex here, so lines don't need to be diagonalized. This is, however, a crucial point, because that is the side that basically borders with the pentagon. So when you are going to draw the pentagon, you will need to use your protractor, and the protractor is the component that we've dealt before. And you will use your protractor where you pin that center point to one side here, like that, and keep that in line. And you will count 72 from here, mark it off, draw the line there, move this point over so that that center point links up with the other side, count 72 from 0 here, mark it off clearly, and draw the line. You are going to use this side here, which is going to be 32, and you're going to arc it from here that way, arc it from here this way, and an arc here and there, so that you have that shape there. Learners, you will bisect 2 of the 5 sides you will find on your hexagon, and I want to zoom in on that, which basically means that you either take that side or that side, put your compass here, open it up like that there, arc, turn it around, get that line, put it here, arc, that side, this side, arc, and then find the center there, where all these are going to go to.